Hey everyone, one of the questions I always get is how does ceramic coating work and how does it make my vehicle easier to clean? Well, I'm going to show you in this video by drawing on this iPad. So typically your car's paint will have this is your car's paint at a microscopic level. Even if the car feels paint, smooth and like a smooth painted surface, it ultimately has ridges in the paint. And what you get is you get dirt particles that get stuck in the paint. And sometimes they can come up over the paint, makes it feel a little bit rough. Iron can get embedded into the paint surface. And this causes a dirty surface. And what you have with ceramic coating, you have your same painted surface. But as we apply the ceramic fills in these gaps to a degree and then creates a new layer on top. Now this layer is only about 1 micron thick, and so it doesn't provide any real scratch protection or protection, but what it does is it makes that surface a lot smoother. And so now when you have those particles, instead of like here, how the particle gets sort of stuck in these gaps, there is no gaps or minimal gaps now. And so the particles sort of sit on the surface. So when you're using water to try to wash the surface off, these particles will sit in here and you kind of have to scrub at it more so. With here, as the water comes down, the particles are more likely to be washed off the surface easier without having to put more force on the paint. And as we talked about in a previous video, the more times you touch your paint, the more effort you put into touching your paint, the more likely you are to scratch the paint. So this is how it helps you sort of prevent scratches. Even though it's not providing a clear bra level of protection, it makes you require less effort to remove those contaminants and therefore less likely to scratch the paint. So contact us if you're ready to make your vehicle easier to clean.